welcome. I bought this cutting board on Amazon, and today I am going to use some resin and foil to transform it. So the first thing I'm going to do is just use a utility knife, and I'm going to cut my design. It's already wrapped in this plastic, so I figured I would repurpose that to help keep the board covered when I'm actually pouring my resin, so that I won't get resin where I did not want it. And I wasn't entirely sure whether or not I was going to do the backside, but I did go ahead and cut a design on the back just in case I opted that I wanted to do a design on the backside. Spoiler alert, I decided not to. Once I finished with that, I needed to make sure that that was tacked down after I removed that piece of rope. And so I just used some painter's tape and I went around very firmly and secured that. And then on the back side that I wasn't doing, which is also the side with the logo of this board, I then just added some additional painter's tape, pressed down to make sure that that was adhered properly. And then I made sure to go ahead and push through that hole in the middle and put some tape in there just to make sure that I wouldn't have an issue. I'm then using this liquid latex to go over the outer edge of that plastic just to make sure that I don't get any type of resin seeping underneath of the plastic. I then covered my workspace with some plastic and made sure that my cutting board was level. And then I mixed some white pigment paste in with just a small amount, less than an ounce of resin, just to go ahead and cover the base of this board. Just that piece that I had actually, cut out to design. And only white is all I'm using. I then allowed that to sit and cure per the manufacturer's instructions. I'm then using this Artsyville foil glue, and I'm just applying it in the design I'm going to want my foil to be. You just want to use a regular paintbrush. I decided to do a little bit of smudging as I did it to give it not just straight lines, but more of a smudge. Put it wherever you want. The design is completely up to you. It's all personal choice. I then had to allow that to sit and dry for 1 hour. It's very important to do so. I then have these larger pieces of foil that I purchased, and I just cut a small piece out. And I used a little brush to help me rub that onto where I had applied the glue. Again, 1 hour after I applied the glue is when I did this. And then you just take the shiny side up, place it down on the actual piece, and then just rub. And you might want to just go back over it a couple of times to make sure that you have gotten all of those spots. And here is a close-up view of what it looked like as soon as I was finished. And now that I have that on, I'm just placing it back on those cups, making sure it's level. And then I mixed up probably less than an ounce of just clear resin, and I'm going over that applique just to make sure that I'm sealing that in there. And I am using a food grade resin just because this is something that could possibly be around food. I then allowed that to cure per the manufacturer's instructions, and I was finished. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and press the bell to be alerted to future videos.